In this video, we will walk through the process of upgrading Tableau Server to the 2025 version. This is the documentation on the Tableau website, and the link is provided in the description. We will follow these steps before and after the upgrade. In this process, we will use the blue-green approach. That means first we install the new version on a non-production or test server with the same configuration. This helps us practice the process, identify potential issues, and estimate downtime. You can find more details about the blue-green approach on the Tableau website. Before upgrading Tableau Server, make sure the server is running and there is no issue or error status. Next, you need to create a full backup using TSM command line. After that, verify the backup file creation and its size and create an extra copy on another device. You need the backup file to restore the server with its workbooks and data sources. For example, in case of errors or server failure, you can use the TSM maintenance restore command to bring back all workbooks and data sources. Next, make an additional copy of the SSL certificates, which can be found in the Tableau Server Packages folder. Also, before upgrading Tableau Server, make sure to take note of the topology and configuration. For example, how many backgrounder or VizQL server processes you have. The next step before upgrading Tableau Server is disabling all scheduled tasks. After this, get the installation file from the Tableau website and download it. To install, make sure to run the .exe file as an administrator. After installing the server, you can verify the Tableau Server status and re-enable all scheduled tasks. In the following section, we will show a step-by-step Tableau Server upgrade demo recorded for training purposes.